we're fast, we walk fast, we're on a mission, and there are little moments in life that affect us and we take in, we record, and there are others that drift by. And sometimes those moments are quite exceptional, and if you're able to recapture those or be surprised by them, they can lead into interesting discoveries. I had a plumber come to my house, and he was soldering something, and he left behind a white cloth with lots of silver drops, and I was just mesmerized by it, and I still have it. It's just one of these things where you're like, wow, how beautiful this is. It really drives a little bit my work, just finding the little discoveries in the day of something that was there, always there and unnoticed, are quite exciting to me.